In today's video, I'll show you how to make over $200 a day online as a beginner in 2023. This method can make you over $90,000, as I was able to do without having to make any sales. This is CPA marketing, but you can also make over $13,000 with affiliate marketing, like I did. This is one of the easiest ways for a beginner to start generating cash online. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to do this using CPA Grip. To get started, you need to sign up for a free account. Fill out all the details, including selecting website/instant as the publisher type. This will make it easier for you to get approved. Once you've logged in, you'll see your stats on the right-hand side and a chat where you can see how much others have made. Go to the left-hand side and select Offer Tools and My Offers. This is where you'll find all the CPA offers available, sorted by payout rates. Look for email submit offers, not installs. Pick one offer to start with, but keep this tab open so you can add more later. I've selected a gift card offer, and now I'll show you how to promote it. Let's go over the details. You'll receive a payment of $3.44 for promoting the product or affiliate product. To do this, you'll need to get your affiliate link and start promoting. Next, you're going to use ManyChat for your marketing needs. ManyChat makes marketing easy and is a completely free tool. However, there are pricing plans available if you want to upgrade, but only if you're making enough money to justify the $15 per month fee. ManyChat will help you automate conversations and text messages on Facebook, making your marketing efforts even easier. We will be utilizing Facebook Messenger instead of WhatsApp and other similar applications. This tool has a significant capability of building a list of Messenger contacts that you can use to send mass messages, including your CPA offers. By doing so, you can potentially earn more than $200 a day. With the ability to message 300, 500, or 800 individuals simultaneously, and assuming that each person generates $1 on average, you can earn up to $800 a day. Simply click on Get Started, sign up for Facebook Messenger, and create a growth tool to generate your contact list. Then create a straightforward message to promote your CPA or affiliate offers and start earning. Instagram is also powerful, but we will discuss it later. The link to the gift card that you requested. Simply click below to receive the details. And don't forget to check your Messenger chat for daily updates on the latest gift card giveaways. To set this up, first go to ManyChat and create a new growth tool. Choose the landing page option and create a basic page with a sign-up button. Copy the thank you page link from CPA Grip and paste it into the redirect URL in ManyChat. Activate the page by clicking Publish and grab the landing page URL. Add a welcome message for your subscribers in ManyChat. Keep it simple, just say hello and thank them for subscribing. And that's it, your landing page and welcome message are set up and ready to go. Now all you have to do is promote the link and watch the conversions roll in. The thing that you requested has arrived. That's all. To continue, add a button here and name it Click Here, and add an emoji for emphasis, like an arrow symbol. When the button is pressed, there are several options, but for now, select Open a Website and enter the URL of your CPA offer in the website address field. Then, click Done. This is how the message will look when someone subscribes. Welcome first name, thank you for subscribing. You can click on the button below to receive the link to your gift card giveaway. If you ever want to unsubscribe, simply type unsubscribe. Now, this flow is created. Make sure to publish it and then go back to the Growth Tools section. This is your growth tool, and the only thing you will be sending traffic to is the setup link located here. To add even more messages, click the plus icon on the right and add another messenger message by dragging it over. Then, tie all the messages together by connecting them like this. Finally, add a text message to promote another offer. For example, hey, first name, check out the latest guitar gear rates for today. Act fast, as supplies are limited. The next offer is for a $750 cash giveaway. Just click below to try it out and make sure to act within the 24-hour window. This message will be sent to you within less than 24 hours of signing up. Add a button and name it Click Here, and add a little arrow emoji. Then select Open a Website and enter the URL for your CPA offer. For example, we will use the Cash App offer, which is $500. Make sure to save the changes and hit the Publish button. With this setup, when someone signs up, the first message they receive will be for the first giveaway. The next day, they will receive another message with another giveaway. To get traffic to this link, go to the Growth Tools section and use the provided link. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful and informative, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. By subscribing, you'll be notified of our future videos, and by liking this video, you'll help us reach more people who can benefit from this content. We appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.